Gattu Chinky washed the car. It was Saturday evening. Mummy was preparing dinner and Gattu Chinky were not letting Papa watch the TV. Hey kids, move away from the TV.
No, Papa. You are just watching the TV and not listening to us. Yes, Papa. You have been watching TV since so long.
Just then, Mummy comes from the kitchen and says,
You're absolutely right, Gattu Chinky. When Papa starts watching TV, he doesn't listen to anyone.
Oh ho! So now Mummy is also in your team.
That's what, Papa. Now you will have to listen to us.
Okay kids, tell me, what's the matter?
Papa, we have been asking you for a long time to take us on a road trip. Yes, Papa, and tomorrow is Sunday. We really want to go on a road trip.
Okay, let's go. When did I say no? Let's go on a road trip tomorrow.
No, we can't go tomorrow. What, Mummy? Now that Papa is agreed, why are you saying no? You guys go out and see the condition of the car. Papa has not washed the car for a long time, kids. And we cannot take a car on a road trip in such a dirty condition.
Oh no, the car will really be very dirty kids. But you both don't worry. Next Sunday we will definitely go on a trip. Hearing this, Gattu and Chinky become very sad and sit quietly. Mummy Papa were also feeling bad. But they also could not take the car in such a dirty condition. Then suddenly Gattu gets an idea.
Mummy, Papa, if I and Chinky can get up early tomorrow morning and wash the car, will you take us on a road trip then?
Hearing Gattu's words, Mummy Papa start thinking. Papa says after thinking something, Okay, that's fine. If you both wash the car well, then we all will go. Gattu gets very happy after hearing Papa's words. But Chinky asks him softly,
Gattu, will we be able to wash the car well? Yes, Chinky, definitely we will do it. I have to go on a road trip, that's it. And for that I can do anything. I also want to go, Gattu. Okay then, it's fine. I will also support you completely.
Next day, Gattu Chinky wake up at 6 in the morning. Mummy is very surprised to see both of them awake.
Hey, Gattu Chinky, you both actually woke up. That means you were serious about washing the car. Yes, Mummy, very serious. Now you give us the pipe. We both are going to wash the car. Wait, take Papa along with you. You alone will not be able to connect the pipe.
Then Gattu Chinky wake up Papa as well. And the three go near the car.
Gattu, this is a very serious case. It will be really hard to clean the car. Are you seeing its condition? Yes, Chinky.
I had already told you that the car is very dirty. Look kids, your pipe is all set. Now I am leaving. All the best. Saying this, Papa leaves. Gattu Chinky brought a bucket of washing liquid and a sponge with them.
Come on, Chinky. Let's get to work. You hold the pipe and I will go and turn on the tap. And be careful while doing it. Water will come out with speed. Okay, Gattu.
Gattu turns on the tap and water comes out of it with speed. Chinky is unable to handle the pipe and the water starts falling all over her. Seeing this, Gattu starts laughing out loudly.
Hey, I told you, Chinky, to hold the pipe properly. Now, before washing the car, you have washed yourself.
Chinky gets angry at Gattu and she turns the pipe in the direction of Gattu, due to which Gattu also gets wet.
Hey, what did you do, Chinky? Gattu, now we both have been washed properly. Now come on, let's wash the car.
Gattu and Chinky both start laughing. Then Gattu pours water on the car from the pipe, due to which the whole car gets washed clean. Then Chinky adds liquid soap in the bucket and starts making a foam.
Wow, so many bubbles are forming, Gattu. Yes, and its smell is also very nice, Chinky. Gattu, give me the sponge. I will clean the car properly with the foam now. Why will you do it? I will do this work. Oh really? The work which is of most fun? You will do it alone? No, I will do it.
Gattu and Chinky get into a fight over who will clean the car with the sponge. Hearing the noise of their fight, Mummy comes out and starts scolding them.
What is this, Gattu Chinky? You both are fighting with each other. And how did your clothes get so wet? Actually, Mummy, we started playing with the pipe. And right now we are fighting because Gattu is not giving me the sponge. Oh, if you both want to do all this, then come. Let's go inside the house. Now there will be no car wash and no road trip.
Both of them get scared from Mummy's scolding.
No, Mummy. Now we will not fight at all. Chinky, take the sponge. And you only clean with it. Till then, I will clean the tires. Yes, Gattu, this is perfect. Mummy, you go. Now we will not fight.
After getting scolded from Mummy, Gattu Chinky do the cleaning properly. After a lot of hard work, the car gets washed. And Gattu Chinky go and bring Mummy Papa outside. Oh wow! The car is sparkling clean, kids!
Yes, really. You both have done a great job, Gattu Chinky. Thank you, Mummy Papa. So now we will go on a road trip, right, Mummy Papa?
Yes, of course, kids. Come on, take a bath and have breakfast quickly. Then we all will go on a road trip. Gattu and Chinky get ready quickly and go sit in the car.
Look, these two have not even had breakfast properly. Hey, Mummy, we are going on a road trip, so we will have snacks on the way. It is a different fun all in all.
Understood, Mummy. These kids are very smart. Then Gattu, Chinky, Mummy, Papa set out on their road trip. Papa turns on the music and Gattu, Chinky start enjoying the views around. Then suddenly Papa sees a dhaba on the highway and Papa stops the car there. Children, come on. Let us sit here and enjoy tea and fritters. The weather is also so nice today.
Yay! Chai pakoras!
Then Gattu, Chinky, Mummy, Papa sit at the dhaba and eat fritters while drinking tea.
Now where will we go after this?
Oh, I have heard that there is a very good and famous restaurant a little further on this road. We should go there. It will be almost noon while we reach there. Then we will have lunch there.
Yes, this is a good idea, Papa. Fine then, let's go there.
Then Papa takes everyone to that restaurant in the car. Gattu, Chinky see that there was a garden outside the restaurant where there were many swings. Gattu, Chinky run and sit on the swings.
Yay, this restaurant is so good, Chinky. Yes, Gattu.
Kids, come, let's have lunch first. Then you can swing comfortably.
Okay, Papa.
Then Gattu, Chinky have lunch with Mummy Papa in that restaurant. And then both of them also enjoy the swings outside. After this, everyone leaves to return home. Papa played music again and now Gattu, Chinky were watching the sunset while returning.
Papa, this sunset looks so lovely. Today was a very good day. It's true, Gattu. This day will always be remembered.
Yes, kids. Really, this road trip idea was not actually bad. But look, the car got so dirty in just one day. Maybe because of the dust and mud.
It's okay, Papa. We will wash the car again. Surely, kids? Yes, Mummy. Because we had a lot of fun washing the car.
They start laughing at this and go back home.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.